Hello, I am Shruti Devda and currently I am pursuing my BTech in Computer Science from Modi University. I am a student of EduRead Public Speaking Training Program. My role model is Mr. Sandeep Maheshwari. Sandeep Maheshwari is a name among millions of succeed, failed and serves in ahead of getting success, happiness and contentment. Just like other middle class guy, he too had a bunch of unclear vision and a blurred vision of his goals in life. But what he had is an undying learning attitude to hold on it. Why I inspired from Sandeep Maheshwari? I inspired by my role model because he gives me I inspired by my role model because he gives me a dedication towards my work. He gives me motivation and increase my willpower day by day. Once he said, nothing is impossible. It's all about our mindset, how we act, how we react to that situation. That's it. Why I want to join this program? I want to join this program to improve my skills day by day and to explore myself more and want to learn new things, new concepts, making communication and I will give my best. I hope that after the end of this training program, I become the better version of myself. Thank you, EduRead, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Shruti Devda and I am a student of EduRead Public Speaking Training Program. I want to answer your question how we can overcome from public speaking fear. I will share my experience. Firstly, I also used to have stage fear, but as the time passes and time changes, I get to know that public speaking is the most important part in our life. So in lockdown, I tried my best and hard and practice, and I overcome my public speaking fear. Here I share my experience that how I overcome my public speaking fear. Firstly, take a deep breath and tell yourself that you can do it, that I can do it. Yes, I am surely do this in a very impressive way. Know your topic, organize well, practice and practice more, rehearse it. Don't take too much stress because that too much stress will destroy your good performance. And never thought before speech that you are useless, you are not worth it. Accept your flaws, it makes you unique. And this is the way. And from taking help from the positivity, I overcome my public speaking fear. Thank you.